Hi.
How you doing today?
Well, how about you?
I'm doing good. Well, my name's Tom, and I'm just kind of tromping around the neighborhood selling my tamales.
Clever.
Well, yeah, I like to think so too. Anyway, chicken, beef, pork, anything you want in the tamale, I got it in here.
Okay. How much are you charging?
About 50 cents a piece.
Oh, okay. Are they homemade?
Yeah, home recipes too.
Oh, great. So who helps you make them?
I make them myself.
Yo, Tom. Can I get a light?
What's wrong, my brother? Thanks. Do you want to buy any? Cause I can go to another house. Like it's okay.
No, it's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, you can- okay.
Yeah, I want some.
Good. Look, come here. I'll
You wanna?
take this.
Okay.
Okay. It's in the main pocket.
Yeah, I figured.
Yeah, the main pocket.
Yeah, I'm trying.
You got it.
Yeah.
Hey!
Oh God.
Bro! No!
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
How am I supposed to feed my birds?
I'm so sorry. I'll buy all of them. How many were there?
At least 100.
Okay, 100. What's that? Like 50 bucks?
80.
80?
You ruined my backpack.
But I don't.
Look, I'm not the one who tore my backpack and spilled all my fucking tamales all over the porch, nigga.
Okay. What I got like 65 here.
Yeah, that's gonna have to work.
Okay, so
Here, just yeah, right. Yeah, in the fanny
okay.
pack. You got it.
okay.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Steve at the Health and Human Services. How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Did you just buy tamales from that guy?
Yeah.
Damn it!
What?
Tom doesn't have a food handler's permit. I need you to stop buying Tom's Ollies immediately for your own safety.
Tom's Ollies? Why don't you just call them what they're called?
Stupid name!
That's a little harsh.
I'm entitled to my opinion, okay?
Why don't you go talk to him yourself? You're the one waving around a badge like you're the world's #2 bureaucrat or something.
Really?
I'm not quick on my feet.
He's a real slippery man. Real slippery man.
Does that slippery man know how to drive?
He better not.
Hi. Did anyone call for a massage?